So guys, very good evening everyone. Just type loud and clear in the chat box if you can hear me, if you can see me. I can see V Harini, Prisha Jain, Hinal and Hia, Rakshit. So you guys, if you can hear me, just type loud and clear in the chat box. Very good, very good. And if you are comfortable, then you can switch on your cams so that I can see you everyone. I can see your beautiful faces. If you are comfortable, you can switch on your cam and mute yourself. And if you have any doubts, I'll clarify at the end of the session. So guys, let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Few people are joining. Guys, just type the city name from UR. Just type the city name. Hi Harini, how are you? Good to see you. Guys, just type your city name from which you are attending. From which city you are attending, just type the city name. Very good. International students we have in our webinar. Very good. Ipswich means Hinal, you are attending from London, isn't it? Kodad. Very good. Very good. Very good. Like everyone type your city name, like from which Tirupati. Super. Okay, one is from Rajahmundry. Good, good everyone. Like 8 members are there. So guys, Nakshatra, Rajahmundry. So everyone is excited to know why coding is important in 2021. Just type S if you are really excited to know how coding is going to influence our future. Just type S in the chat box if you are really interested to know how coding will influence your future. Like why coding is important. That everything I am going to explain you in detail, step by step. Okay, so after the end of this session, you can decide whether you should learn coding or not. So guys, are we ready to go? Guys, once give me your confirmation. Are we ready to go? Just give your confirmation in the chat box. So guys, our topic will be, and those who are comfortable in switching on the cameras, you can switch on your cameras so that I can see your beautiful faces, guys. And guys, we will be discussing about the 3 main reasons why everyone should start learning coding. Okay, guys. So, guys, these are the 3 main reasons. Coding improves thinking. How many of you can agree with this point? How many of you can agree with this point? Or have you heard earlier that coding helps us to improve the thinking capability? If you have heard this one, just type heard earlier in the chat box. Heard earlier. And if you didn't heard, then it's okay. Just type, you can say no. So guys, coding improves thinking, guys. If you have heard earlier that this is true, really coding improves thinking, then you can just type in the chat box. Guys, this will be an interactive session. So you have to keep on responding to me. Okay, don't sit idle. Okay, it is not a one-way communication. You need to interact with me, guys. Very good, very good, very good. I think Hinal and Hia are the first one to answer. Very good. So guys, coding is future. How many of you can agree with me? Coding is future. Artificial intelligence will take over everything in future. Robots will work in the place of human beings. Is it true, guys? Robots will work in future. But do you agree that robots are nothing but machines? Robots are nothing but the machines, and they has to be controlled by human beings only. How many of you can agree with this point, guys? Robots are nothing but just machines, guys. And robots has to be controlled by human beings, isn't it? So to teach or to tell the robot that how it has to work, guys, tell me, does robots understand your English language or your Hindi or your mother tongue? Does your robot understands your language? No, guys, isn't it? So robots understands computer languages. Is it clear? Only code. Very good, Goyal. Robot understands only the code actually. Is it clear? So we should learn how to code. So if you learn how to code, then definitely in future you can instruct robots. And guys, those who are from India, everyone knows that there is a new education policy released. How many of you are aware of that point? NEP, new education policy, is released in 2020. I'll be discussing more in depth about that new education policy also. Don't worry. But guys, those who knows about new education policy, just type I know in the chat box. Just type I know in the chat box. And I think people who are living out of India, they may not have knowledge on that new education policy. So those who are attending from out of India, so those guys need not to worry. I'll be explaining, like in India, how the old education policy used to be and how the new education policy is introduced right now. It is introduced in 2020, guys. So guys, these are the 3 points. These are the 3 reasons why everyone should learn coding in 2021. Is it clear, guys, everyone? One is it improves thinking. Second one is coding is the future, guys. And our government also said that coding is very, very important. Is it clear? So guys, that everything I will be deconstructing one by one in detail. Guys, do you want to know about myself, a short introduction, like who am I to teach all these things? Just type in the chat box if you are interested to know about me. Otherwise, I'll just move forward. Is anyone is there who wants to know about me? Guys, my name is Atish Jain and I live in Andhra Pradesh. It's India. Okay, and I have started my career in coding when I was in 8th standard. I have started my career in coding. Means I started learning coding when I was 8th standard. But at that time, there are no resources, there is no internet. It is very hard for me at that time to learn coding when I was in 8th standard. Guys, now things have been improved or not? Even a small kid is holding mobile phone. Will you agree with me? The technology has been improved in such a way that even a 2-year kid or 3-year kid, if they are not taking their lunch or dinner, then mom says that I'll give you this mobile phone to you. You please means while feeding the kids, everyone says that I'll give you mobile phone, I'll give you games, and the people opens rhymes, so stories on those mobile phones, and they feed the children, guys. So this is what the era in which we are living, isn't it, guys? So the things have been grown up like anything, guys. And my passion for coding has started when I was in 8th standard. Okay, and when I grow up, I've seen things are tremendously changing. Things are getting improved day by day, and coding is the future. I've realized, like over a decade, means before a decade, like 10-15 years back, that coding is improving everything. Coding is the future. Then I've decided that I should learn coding and I should implement coding and I should teach coding. So this is just short introduction about myself, guys. Guys, we'll start our discussion with a small question. I have given 5 pictures, guys, on the screen. So what you have to do is you have to type the names of these 5 personalities. 1, what is the name? 2, what is the name? 3, what is the name. And whatever you don't know, you just say no. So 1, if you don't know, just type no. 2, if you don't know, just type no. So your time starts now, guys. I'll give you 3 minutes of time and do it. If you guys can identify these personalities, then spend some time, learn who these people are. Okay. And you have to say 1 and the name of the person, 2, name of the person, 3, name of the person. That serial number is very, very important, guys, because there are 5 persons. Let's see, like very good, Nitin, Elon Musk, someone said it 3rd. Let's see how many are correct. 2 no, very good. Guys, 5 Elon Musk. Rakshit, great. Rakshit, you are correct. First one is Mark Zuckerberg and 5th one is Elon Musk. Rakshit, you are correct. Guys, everyone can try. 4th one is Bill Gates. Super. Nagendra Kumar, you are correct. You are correct. Guys, 4th one is Bill Gates. Very good. Very good. Guys, do you know 3rd one? 3rd personality, no one has written the name of the 3rd person. You don't know 3rd one? 5th one is Elon Musk, Nitin, great. 3rd one, do you know, guys, who is 3rd one? Just type if you know the 3rd person. Steve Jobs. Very good. Very good. Guys, Prisha Jain, 3 Steve Jobs. Guys, now a small question to you. Is it really important to know about these personalities? Is it really needed? Guys, our lives are influenced by these people, guys. Do you believe me or not? Our lives are influenced by every day we are using these guys' products, isn't it? Directly or indirectly, we are using these famous personalities' products, guys. Guys, do you know what is the common thing among all these 5 personalities? Anyone knows the common thing? What is one common pattern among these 5 personalities? These persons are inspiration. Very good, Nitin. Like whatever you observe, guys. Very good, very good. Congratulations, Nitin. You have just came to the point. You are very close to the point. The exact answer is all these 5 famous personalities have started coding at very early age. At childhood age, these guys have started coding at very early age. That is one common pattern what I've observed in these 5 different personalities. Guys, these personalities are inspiration to us or not? Everyone wants to become like Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates. Is it clear? Everyone is having the dreams or not, guys? Tell me frankly. Everyone wants to become like that. But guys, at the same time, we have to work hard, guys, isn't it? At the same time, we have to work hard if you want to become such great personalities. Very good, Nitin. Very good. So let's try to understand what these personalities are saying. Guys, this is the famous quote from Mark Zuckerberg. He says, my number one piece of advice is you should learn how to program. Is this point clear, guys, everyone? I'm not saying all these things. These famous personalities quotes I have gathered from the internet and I'm just presenting before you guys. Okay, guys, the second person is Jack Dorsey. Guys, have you heard about Twitter? Like we have Facebook, like we have LinkedIn, isn't it? So do you know who uses Twitter? Do you know who uses Twitter? Do you know who uses Instagram? Do you know who uses Facebook? Who uses LinkedIn? These are all social media platforms. Very good, Aradhya. You are super. You are amazing, Aradhya. These are all part of social media. These are all social media platforms. Guys, let's try to explore one by one. Facebook is used by every individual, everyone. If you want to show your personal things, you are using simply Facebook, isn't it? If you went for a party, if you went for a trip, if you have made a special dish in your house, everything you will be keep on posting on Facebook. Am I right or wrong, guys? Everything you are posting on Facebook. Guys, LinkedIn, have you heard the name LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional social media networking platform, guys. Those people who are looking for jobs, company CEOs, COOs, and all the students who are looking for jobs will be in LinkedIn. Is it clear? Will be in LinkedIn. And like Facebook, Instagram is also, if you want to post your personal posts, reels, then you'll go for Instagram. Celebrities will use Twitter. How many of you know this point? Because there are so many people, they follow the celebrities. Is it clear? So celebrities, most of the celebrities follow the Twitter. And this guy, Jack Dorsey, he is the one, the one who says that code teaches you how to face really big problems. Jack Dorsey says that coding teaches you how to face very big problems. And he's the founder of Twitter. And guys, and this is the very famous quote from Steve Jobs. What Steve Jobs says, everybody in this country should learn to program a computer because it teaches how to think. Am I right or wrong, guys? Coding will improve your thinking ability, guys. The way you think, is it clear, will depend upon coding. So this is the famous quote by Steve Jobs. And guys, Bill Gates says that learning to write program stretches your mind. Learning to write program stretches your mind and helps you to think better. Creates a way of thinking about things that I think is helpful in all domains. And at last, Elon Musk, like if Elon Musk is your dream personality, if he's your role model, then see what he says. I taught myself how to program computers when I was a kid. When Elon Musk is kid, he started learning how to program a computer. Bought my first computer when I was 10 years old. And he sold his first commercial program when I was 12. Means Elon Musk has sold his first commercial program when he was 12 years old. That's something, but he sold his software when he was 12 years old. Guys, everyone just type in the chat box, have you got excited by knowing all these personalities or not, guys? Just type in the chat box, you got excited by knowing about these personalities. And guys, do you know what I found common between all these personalities? Guys, the common thing all these personalities is they are coders, guys. They are coders and they started coding at very early age. Guys, they started coding at very early age. The result of their efforts today we are enjoying. Guys, the result of their efforts after 20 years, 30 years, today we are enjoying, guys. Guys, we are attending this session on Zoom, isn't it, guys? We are attending this session on, yes, very good, Nitin. He is the coder at 8 years of old. He is coder at 8 years of old. Guys, today we are attending this session via Zoom. There are few attendees in our session who are attending this session from London. And we have so many people attending this session from different part of India. It is the Zoom application who has connected us. And it's like a feeling that we are sitting in one room and we are discussing. How many of you can agree with this point, guys? See, this is such a feeling. You are sitting at different part of the world and we are all interconnected and we are sharing knowledge. It is because of Zoom. What is in Zoom, guys? Zoom is a software or not? Zoom is a software or not? Because of the Zoom application only, in this lockdown, so many people have attended online sessions. If there is no Zoom, then we would have not attended these online sessions, guys. isn't it, guys? Guys, future is solution based technology, and it requires coding. The future is solution based technology, and it definitely requires coding. I'll tell you actually what is solution based technology. Do you want to know, guys, what is solution based technology? Excited? If you're excited, just type S in the chat box, guys. Guys, can you see these names? Do you see these names, guys? Can you see this name? I think who are out of India, who are attending this session from out of India, also knows this. Very good, Shanmukh. You are super. Guys, Ola is a cab service, isn't it? How many of you can agree with me? Ola is a cab service. But before 50 years also cabs are there or not? Before 50 years also cabs are there or not? Even if you ask your grandparents at that time cabs are also there. But guys, the Ola app makes the cab driver and the customer, they brings in one single platform. So Ola app is solving the burning problem of the human beings or not, guys? Just tell me one point. Ola app is solving the burning problem, like we need a cab service and driver needs customers. Is it clear? It's solving the burning problem, guys. So Ola app is a software in your mobile, isn't it, guys? It's a software in your mobile. How many of you can agree with this point? So softwares are built only when you code it. Is it clear? Softwares are built only when you start coding it. Guys, do you think Zomato is running any restaurants? Zomato is running restaurants. Do you think? Zomato is not running restaurants, guys. They are bringing the people who wants to order food and the people who are preparing foods, who want to sell food. It's a food supply service home delivery. Very good, Shanmugh. So Zomato is a software which connects hotels and people together. Will you agree with this point? Zomato is a platform which connects hotels and the one who is looking for food, guys. So guys, today, without stepping out, without stepping from our house, we are able to get our favorite dish at our doorstep or not, guys? That's only because of the software services, guys. Yes, very good, Shanmukh. By creating software, they created by writing some codes. They created this Swiggy and Zomato apps, guys. And this Swiggy and Zomato apps making our life much more easier. Guys, you can place anything at your doorstep by using Amazon, eBay. Like there are so many services are there in the market, guys. But I have just listed few so that you'll understand. How in future the coding will influence everything. How in future the coding is going to influence the whole world, guys. Shiny Jain, very good. So guys, first point I have cleared. Most apps, very good. The first point, coding improves thinking. Coding is the future, guys. Coding is the future. Guys, your parents may be running a normal business. They may be doing an offline business, but in future, they have to come online, guys. Your parent businesses should come online, and you are the one who takes the first step, guys. Am I right or wrong? Your parents may be running businesses offline, but you are the person who can drive them, who can guide them, and you guys can take their businesses online, guys. Because software makes lives easy. Very good. You have to do it, guys. You have to do it. Guys, even job holders, employees, they started working from home or not? Even the employees, because of this lockdown, they started working from their home. It's only because of software only it's happening, isn't it, guys? Many people rely on Amazon, eBay a lot, especially in lockdown. Yes, Hinal, yeah, it's 100% true actually. So you have to believe that technology is making our life so easy. There is no other alternative, guys. Is it clear? One app created by coder, very good, Shanmugh. Like all kids are super duper. Like everyone is having a great knowledge, guys. Guys, those who don't know about the new education policy, don't know about new education policy, don't worry, I'll explain you in detail what the new education policy is. And guys, those who are attending this session from out of India, you'll get to know what the old education policy of India is and what is the new education policy of India is. Guys, everyone is excited to know all these things, or you are getting bored? Tell me, guys. You're not bored, na? You're not bored, na? Do you think this 1.5 hour time you are learning something? You are learning something which you don't know. Very good, very good, very good, everyone. So, guys, new education policy is designed in the year 2020. Means in 2020, new education policy is developed, guys. So I'll explain you like what is the old education policy and what is the new education policy. Guys, those who are from India, do you know British used to rule India earlier before we got independence? British used to rule India. Do you know this point? Very good, very good. So guys, do you know the very valuable important thing which is the British left to us? Do you know what is that very valuable important thing the British people has left to India? What they left in India? Do you know that? Just type in the chat box if you know. Otherwise, you simply say don't know. If you know, what is the one thing the British has left before leaving India? Means bridges? No, it's not about the infrastructure and all. Don't worry, guys. I'll tell you. It is the English language, guys. It is the English language they left in India. Guys, we are really fortunate. We are really blessed to have English language. Is it clear in India? And because of English language only, most Indians are working in different parts of the world. That English language is taking us to move across the world, guys. Guys, do you know Chinese are more intelligent than us? Chinese are 10 times intelligent than us. Do you know that point? Chinese are over-committed, over-intelligent than us. But do you know the point why more Chinese are not there across the world? Chinese doesn't know English, guys. Chinese doesn't know English. The only good thing, they know coding, but they can't speak English. That is the reason most people are going to US from India. The only asset what we have is the English language. Most people are going and surviving in foreign countries because we have knowledge of English. This is what British has done a great gift to us, and we are really blessed actually. This is what the weapon our Indian students is having, guys. Do you understood this point, what I'm saying? Chinese are more intelligent than us. The problem is they don't know English, guys. So they can survive only within China. But we Indians can go any part of the world and we can work there. Is it clear? Because we have one power, one knowledge, one language. That's English, guys. As we all should learn English. And that is the reason we have English medium schools. English medium schools, so that we can survive at any part of the world. Shanmugh, you have great knowledge, huh? Very good. So guys, the old education system is 10 plus 2. You know, guys, 10 plus 2 means from 1st to 10th you have to study. And after 10th, I know English only. Prisha Jain, you are from London. Very good, very good. Prisha Jain, you are attending from London. Very good, very good. I thought you are from India. So guys, in India, we have 10+2 education system. 10+2 means you have to study from 1 to 10. Everyone is going to study the same subjects. There is no change. You don't have any choice of subjects. But after 10th standard only, you have a choice. So guys, we have 3 streams. Everyone knows this 3 streams. After 10th, you have a choice to learn 3 streams. You can go to commerce, you can go to science, and you can go to arts. These are the 3 streams. This is the old education system, guys. This is the old education system. Do you know the problem with this system, guys? If you want to go for engineering, computer science engineering, but at the same time, if you want to learn accounts comes under commerce, but engineering comes under science. You cannot do both. Is it clear? You cannot do both. You have to choose only one. But one person may be interested in biology and may be interested in coding also. But in old education policy, this is not there. Guys, have you heard vocational jobs, vocational training from India or out of India, those who are studying? Have you heard vocational jobs, vocational trainings? Guys, generally, after 10th standard, after grade 10, those who wants to get an immediate job, those who wants to earn immediately, they'll go for occasional courses after 10th standard. Those who are attending from out of India, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand, those who are attending from out of India, what I'm going to convey to you? Means what I'm telling you is, after 10th class, if you feel that you want to make it earning for your parents immediately, then you have to join for occasional courses. What do you mean by occasional courses? Guys, occasional courses are like plumbing, electrician, baking, cooking, gardening, cleaning, painting. So once you learn these courses for 2 years, immediately you can start making money or not? Immediately you'll start making money or not? Once you learn this thing for 2 years. But guys, the problem in India is, if anyone joins for vocational courses now, they used to look them at as downgraded. They used to look that these guys are poor. That's why they have joined for vocational courses, guys. Understood what I'm saying? They used to say that decreation for marriage and all functions. Yes, Shanmukh, really. Poor thinking. Yes, guys. This is true, guys. But guys, do you know? In advanced countries like UK, US, Britain, I think those children has been taught right from 6th grade onwards. They have given training on the occasional training. I don't know, like I have gone through some articles, I have gone through some books, and I get to know that they have given training right from their school level on all the activities. Means they make people all-rounder. They'll make people all-rounder, so that they need not to depend on others for small activities. Guys, in India, very good. Guys, in India, if your tap is getting, means if there is a tap leakage in your house, or if you want to change your bulb or tube light, or if there is any repair in the fan, we have to call n number of times to these people, to these service providers. Will you agree with me, guys? In India, if you are in India, then for every small task you have to call them hundreds of times, isn't it? For a small job. But guys, do you know, in advanced countries like Canada, Europe, is it clear? The whole European belt. I think those who are attending this session out of India, like Aradhya, Prisha, Heenal, you can know that small things your parents used to control. It means they used to repair small things by your parents only, isn't it, guys? Heenal, Prisha, I think you can give response if I am not wrong, actually. Is it clear? If there is any small repair, your parents used to look after that, isn't it? You're not making a phone call to a service provider and they'll come and they'll look after that. Why? Because you have been trained in such a way that most of the things you have to do it by your own. Am I right? Hinal, Hia, Prisha, most of the things you have to do it by your own, isn't it? Now in India, this is implemented actually. In 2020, they bought this new education policy, and the new education policy says that first will be like the policy is like 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Is it clear? So 5 plus 3 plus throw like 4. Like how many years of education? This is 8. 8 plus this 3, how much guys? 11, and 11 plus, is it 15 years of education? 15 years of education. Very good, Prisha. Okay. So earlier Indian government didn't encourage this play groups. Indian government has never encouraged play groups. Indian government used to say that you have to enroll your children in a school only for the first standard. But private schools used to be there, but government is not supporting for that. But if I'm not wrong, but in advanced countries like UK, Europe, America, you have play group right from like you have play groups like from your childhood, like from 2.5 years age, your government is supporting that. Is it clear, Hinal? Here, your government is supporting that right from your childhood. Is it clear? So these 2 years, these 2 years, see, 3 years of play group and first and second grade. So is it totally 5 years? Like pre-primary, primary, and senior primary. So it will be totally five years. Is it clear? The foundation stage we call. After that, there is a pre-preparatory stage. In this stage, government says that you should learn things in a mother tongue. Guys, our mother tongue is close to our heart or not? Tell me, guys, everyone. Our mother tongue is very close to our heart. If anything is said to you in your mother tongue, it connects your heart directly, isn't it? You'll be very close to your mother tongue. So at this stage, you'll be taught with, means you have to be taught by using your mother tongue only. Okay, and grade 6, 7, 8 is known as the middle stage. And guys, this is the age actually. Now the new education policy is saying that you should learn coding, you should learn vocational training, you should learn mathematics, science, arts, and some Indian language. So here in grade 3, 4, 5, you are learning your mother tongue very clearly. After that, you are learning any of the Indian language. Any of the Indian language. Is it clear? So from this, is it clear? Every Indian student, please be with me. Is it clear that government itself is insisting us to learn coding from 6th grade onwards? Will you agree with this point? Guys, you can just check, you can just go and check in the Google also. If you don't have belief on me, you can just go and check in the Google also. In Google, you'll find the new education policy and you'll find so many videos on that. Guys, and the fourth stage is Hindi, you know, but in London, you have to learn French or Spanish. Very good, Prisha. Because once you learn French or Spanish, you can go to other countries and you can survive very easily there without any hurdle. Is it clear? Without any hurdle, you can see. Some few years back, I was in Paris, and I thought that in Paris I'll get so many people who will speak English. But unfortunately, I spoke to 10 members. Out of 10, only one knows English, and remaining 9 people knows only French. So I have struggled a lot actually. I've struggled a lot. Like 4 years back, that's the first time I went to out of India actually. So I struggled a lot because they know French. So I consulted 10 to 12 people. Then only one person got that he knows English. You live in India, okay, but you live in India, but you have to learn French. Shiny, it's a very good initiative. Please work on this. Why? Because one or two international languages are very, very important to survive at any part of the world. Shiny, I really appreciate your thought process, your thinking, really. Guys, the fourth stage is 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 grades, guys. 4 grades. Guys, we don't have any stream. We don't have any stream. We have multiple subjects. You have to learn mathematics, you have to learn science, you have to learn biology, you have to learn accounts, you have to learn coding, you have to learn everything. Why? Because, guys, by the time you complete this, you will be 17 or 18 years of age. You will be at 17 or 18 years of age. Guys, the biggest problem with us is we don't have a proper goal. Do you agree with this point? We don't have a proper goal. We keep on changing our goals. We don't have right direction in our life. We always keep on thinking. See, sometimes you think that you want to become a doctor. 2-3 months, you'll feel that you want to become a doctor. And you'll see someone who succeeded in life by doing computer science engineering. Then immediately your goal will shift that you want to do computer science engineering. How many of you can agree with me, guys? How many of you can agree with me? Guys, we are always influenced by others. We are always influenced by others. We are always influenced by other success. We are always influenced by other success. Guys, believe me, you need to ask yourself that what is your strength and what is your weakness. You need to ask yourself first, what is your strength and what is your weakness. I may be very good at cricket, but it is not compulsory that you also should be good at cricket. Guys, everyone knows who is Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone knows who is Sachin Tendulkar. I think he is known as God of cricket. He is known as God of cricket. Am I right? Guys, if you ask Sachin Tendulkar, to play any musical instrument like A.R. Rahman, guys, you know who is A.R. Rahman? So will Sachin Tendulkar will be able to play musical instrument like A.R. Rahman? Will he be able to play? Not at all, isn't it? But we can't say na. Then we can't say na. Sachin Tendulkar is an unsuccessful person. Can we say like that? We can't say na. He is successful in his area actually. He is successful in his area. Like this, you have to choose what is your area is, guys. You have to choose what is your area. And you can't ask A.R. Rahman to play cricket like Sachin Tendulkar. And so does A.R. Rahman is a unsuccessful person? No, he's successful in his music career and he is successful in his sports career. Do you agree with me, guys? Everyone is successful in their own careers or not? Like this, you need to ask yourself, guys. You need to ask yourself that what do you want to do? Guys, do you want to listen to a small story of mine? Small story of mine. Do you want to listen? It's my personal story. I never shared with anyone. You're not getting bored now? Then I'll share with you. If you're getting bored, then I won't share because it's my personal story. Very good, Prisha. Guys, like it's a few years back. I was in 12th grade, guys. I was in 12th grade. And my dad has joined me in a training center called Aptech. I think you are all aware of the name Aptech. Like Aptech is a computer training institute. Is it clear? I'm sharing this story like 20 years back, what happened to me. So my dad has joined me in Aptech Training Institute by paying almost a 1 lakh fee. Like it's 100,000. 100,000, it's 1 lakh. And he's going to Rajasthan to attend one of our cousins' marriage. One of our cousins' marriage. And I have dropped in at the railway station. It's morning 7:30. I still remember that. It's morning 7:30. And my dad said that education is an everlasting asset. The more you the more you learn, the more you gain. The more knowledge you gain, the more you earn. These are the words by my dad. He said that never run towards money, always run towards solving the bigger problem. Money will follow you automatically. And after 4 days, I got a call saying that my dad is lost in an accident. At the date, I have decided, on the day, I have decided that I should build my career surrounded to education industry only. Because those are the last words said by my dad, that education is an everlasting asset. The more knowledge you gain, the more you grow, the more you grow, the more you earn. So on that day, I've decided that whatever it may be, the situation, I never ever leave this education. I never ever leave this education. I want to be a lifelong learner. Whether I earn or not, it doesn't make any difference for me. But if I learn things every day, if I learn new things, then only I feel that I have done something in my life. Guys, how many of you can agree with me? How many of you can agree with me? You have to, the purpose of your life is to solve the bigger problem of this world. The purpose of your life is to solve the bigger problem. Now, if you solve someone's problems, then automatically money will follow you guys. And at the time, there are no education institutions around my city. Around my city, there are no education institutions. Then I've decided that I should keep on sharing my knowledge with others. And since 15 years, I'm doing the same job. Since 15 years, I'm doing the same job. And till now, I've trained more than 40,000 students. 40,000. Till now, I've trained more than 40,000 students. I started my career when I was 18 years old. I started my career as a mentor, as a trainer, when I was 18 years old. And guys, remember in life, at every part of the life, you need to have a mentor, because mentor will give you the right direction. Every part of the life, choose the right mentor for your life. Your parents are the first mentor. After parents, if you want to grow professionally, if you want to grow in your education field, then try to find the right mentor. Definitely you'll have success. Success will follow you. Why? Because mentor is only the person who really takes us to the right direction. How many of you are agree with this point, guys? That at every part of the life, we need a mentor. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your words. Prisha Jain, I am really impressed by you. Soon I'll be meeting you, Prisha. Sure, I'll be meeting you. So, guys, the program Code Junior, the program Code Junior, what we are introducing, will have 3, 4, 8. Let's try to break down what is this 3, 4, and 8. Guys, we have 3 levels of learning. Everyone knows, like beginner, intermediate, advanced. Like this kind of learnings we have. I think people who are out of India, they knows. Thank you, Harini. Thank you so much. We have 3 levels of learning: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, so that is what we call 3. And then we have 4 types of learning paths. We have 4 types of learning paths. One is JavaScript programming. Second one is game development. third one is web development, and fourth one is data science. Fourth one is data science. And 3 levels of learning, 4 levels, and these are the totally 8 modules we are going to have as a part of this particular course. Introduction to programming is the first module. Introduction to web development is the second module. Advanced programming, advanced web development, then introduction to game development, introduction to data science, advanced game development, and advanced data science. So these are the totally 8 courses we have as a part of this course. And we will be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. How many of you have heard these terms, guys? As a part of this complete course, we have hands-on knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. These are the 4 languages we will be learning, guys. And these are the totally 8 courses. These are the totally 8 courses. So guys, do you want to see how this platform looks, how the course will be? Do you want to have an idea on this? JavaScript you heard, very good. So guys, this is the platform. Can you have a look on this platform? This is the platform. Okay, everyone can see this. Everyone can see this platform. Very good. Okay, now I'll show you how this course is to be. Guys, this will be a complete interactive self-learning course, and where I'll be your mentor. Okay, where I'll be your mentor, and I'll let you know how we are going to do this. First, just listen to this.
Computers shape our day-to-day life.
Can you hear?
Thanks to them, we get to enjoy the best of what technology has to offer, from video games to social media.
Can you hear, everyone?
Through this course, you'll discover how computers work and create your own applications by learning computer science.
Go through this.
The first step is to take a journey into the world of programming. Together, we'll learn a new language called JavaScript, which allows us to communicate with computers. We're going to discover how we can give orders to a computer to make it accomplish all sorts of tasks, such as guiding a robot through a maze or even creating building plans. We'll also be creating a game by manipulating special containers known as variables, which the computer uses to store data in its memory. Afterwards, we'll help a shipping company build a sorting system.
Guys, there is some technical glitch. So just wait for a minute. I'll be running it again.
Computers shape our day-to-day life. By the end of later parts of the course, we'll help a space exploration agency build systems for their rockets. We'll see that with just a few pieces of code, we can create complex programs, like a rocket countdown system or even an inventory system for a store. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create many types of cool applications, like programs to do your math homework. This journey won't always be easy. You'll make mistakes and discover how errors in code can create strange problems. But don't worry, making mistakes is when you encounter problems, just remember that patience and perseverance is the key to solve them. Now go on, start coding and let your imagination run wild.
Guys, if learning is like this, will it be interesting or not? Just type in the chat box. If you have been taught like this every lesson, then will it be interesting or not? Just type in the chat box if it is interesting or not, if it is taught like this.
Every day, we use many types of applications to entertain ourselves, to simplify our life, and even to complete our work. Things like video games and web browsers are all examples of applications that were created by programmers. But how do we create these complex applications? To answer that question, we first have to look at how we can interact with computers. If a computer could understand common languages, such as English, then the task would be quite easy. We could simply ask the computer to create whatever we'd like, and then it would build it for us. Unfortunately, computers are not that intelligent. In fact, without our help, computers can't do much. To help our lazy computers be productive, the first programmers had to create a language that computers could understand. This language is a set of instructions. Giving an instruction to a computer is similar to giving an instruction to your friend. Imagine saying to your friend, "Pass me the ball." As long as your friend understands English and has a ball, then he can complete your request. The same applies to a computer. We have to give it instructions in a clear and concise manner. If the computer understands the instructions, then it will execute them. Let's try talking to a computer together. To do so, look at your code editor. It's in the window to your right with the sample of text. This is where we'll give instructions to our computer. Do you see the text robot.forward? That's a valid instruction which the computer understands. It will tell the computer to make the little robot move forward a single square. Your computer will wait until you press the Run Code button before executing your code. This will activate the valid instructions inside the code editor. This action of activating your code is called running your code. Now that we understand the basics of talking to our computer, let's try to help the little robot get to the goal. To do so, erase the question mark and write another robot.forward instruction. Make sure that it's written exactly like the first instruction. If you make a mistake, the computer won't understand it. Once you have written the instruction, try running your code again. If it works properly, hit the Submit Code button to jump to the next exercise.
Guys, can we write this code? Can we try this small exercise? So guys, tell me what I need to write in this code window. Can you guess and tell me? R-O-B-O-T, robot dot. Suppose if I do spelling mistake and if I click on run, guys, what it is saying? It is not a function, it can't understand, isn't it? So now can we correct it by looking at the answer? Guys, now see. This is JavaScript, Prashant Kumar. This is JavaScript. So guys, can you see the code got succeeded? Now can we click on validate? It's passed, isn't it? So is it not interesting, guys? So this is very simple application, but let's try to understand. Let's try to understand in a more deeper way. Let's see how it works. Guys, now can you tell me, you tell me in the chat box what steps I need to write so that whatever you tell, that only I'll apply it here. Just have a look on the code window. You should make your robot to reach this stage. You should make your robot to reach this stage. So what we need to write? Can you guess? Just guess if you can guess. Robot.forward, let's write. Okay, after that, robot.down, R-O-B-O-T dot down. Okay, so Rakshit, as per Prashant Kumar, there is a lot of difference. There is a lot of difference in between C and JavaScript. Guys, computer doesn't understand down. Okay, computer doesn't understand down. So we have to say Prisha said left, right, right, right. Let's write right. Okay, now let's see here. Now, shall I say left? Shall I say left? And shall I say again robot dot forward? Is it left or right? Can you tell me? Shiny Jane saying right. So let me write right. Very good. right, then forward. And after that, can you tell me what I need to write? Robot dot. Is it left or right? Right, right. Next. Okay. Guys, let's try this whether it is working or not. It's not working. Let's try to understand. It's saying FORWARD. That's nothing but there is a spelling mistake. Isn't it, guys? Now run it again. Means some problem is there here, right? It is saying at line number 11, there is a problem. Can I say left here? Can I say left? And can I try it again? Guys, succeeded. Isn't it? Now tell me, coding helps you to think or not? How many of you can agree with this point? Coding helps you to think or not? So this is a small step, guys. But if you go to the next levels, just try to understand. If you go to next levels, then what kind of code, complex code you'll find. Guys, this is a little bit complex or not? This is. And we can make the robot to move 2 steps forward. JavaScript is easy. This is visual based coding. Is it clear? So again, there is a problem. So let's try, like everyone give me solution that what I need to do. Robot dot forward. Okay, guys. So let's run this first. From here to which direction it should move? Tell me. From here, which direction it should move? Left or right? Is it right? After forward, is it right? Let's see. Is it left? And after left, can I write forward once again and see whether it reaches or not? So left is right or right is right here? What I need to do? Tell me, guys. Right? And forward, how many steps forward? Tell me, everyone, how many steps forward it has to move? 2 steps. From here to here, 1, 2, 3. Can I say 3 steps here? Can I say 3 steps? Very good. So instead of writing forward 3 times, you can say in the bracket 3. Is it quite interesting or not, guys? Is it quite interesting? Okay. Now you tell me, Robert dot right or left? Is it left? And I'll do copy paste this code. Okay. And how many times I need to move it? Is it 2 times? Now guys, see. Means here there is a problem with left, it is right. Guys, succeeded or not? Guys, succeeded? Now you tell me frankly, you started using your brain or not? You started using your brain? Guys, for this small task, for such a small task, you started using your brain to this extent, then you just imagine if you go to very complex level tasks, if you go to very complex level tasks like this. Now you just imagine if you want to write something like this, then how much brain you have to use it. Guys, tell me, if you want to make your robot to reach to this destination, then really you are getting the potentiality of your side or not? Thank you. See, if you keep on practicing this, then really you will get the potentiality of your brain, guys, isn't it? You'll understand your strengths. Am I right? You'll understand your strengths. And guys, I'll tell you. See, for small applications only, uh, small applications only. If you need to work this much of hard, then just imagine developing applications like Swiggy, Zomato app. How much of how much manpower is required, isn't it? How much manpower is required? How much knowledge is required? How much team is required, isn't it? There is a huge, guys. There is a huge. So guys, just type in the chat box, everyone is excited about this program or not? Everyone is excited about this program. Guys, we are just came close to end of this program. Guys, this is completely a 1 year program. Friends, this is completely a 1 year program. This is completely a 1 year program. And the platform, what I have shown to you guys, have you seen the platform just now? The charges for this platform is 13,000 rupees. Okay. And this is completely a self-learning platform, completely a self-learning platform. The moment you join, then you'll be created an account for you. And this particular platform is developed by a Canada company. Everyone clear with this? It's not developed by me. I am just the trainer of this project. I'm just the trainer of this project. It is developed by a Canada company, and I am the trainer for that product. Actually, I am the trainer for this product. So every week, I'll be taking one session to clarify your doubts. If you have struck somewhere, I'll be there to support you. So every Friday, 7 to 8, there will be a mastermind class for 1 year. For 1 year, I'll be providing the support. Okay, every Friday, 7 to 8 through Zoom, I'll be providing the support. Okay, so my training charges are 12,000 rupees. And guys, after 1 year, you won't have access to this platform, isn't it? See, I want to be very frank, very clear with you before you take a decision to join. You'll have access to this platform for 1 year only. Is it clear? See, suppose if you recharge your phone for 180 days, after 180 days, your phone will switch off or not, means your network will be off automatically, isn't it? So in the same way, exactly after 1 year, your platform will not allow you to log in. So what I have done is, I want to teach you how you can implement this JavaScript, HTML, CSS, all these languages outside this platform. How you can start writing the code, is it clear, without this platform also. So I'll be teaching these languages. I'll be teaching how to build a small web page, small website by your own. That things I'll be teaching you in this 1 year of journey. So for this course, the charges are 5,000, and I'll be teaching basic Python also. Suppose in future, if you want to learn machine learning, data science, deep learning, artificial intelligence, for all these technologies, the foundation is Python, guys, basic Python. So all together 13,000 plus 12,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000. It is 35,000, guys. It is 35,000. Means if you want to know in US dollars, it will be 500 USD. It will be 500 USD. No, these are not free platform. These are not free platforms. You won't find anywhere these platforms freely. These are the paid one, actually, licensed one. So the total cost of this course for 1 year is 35,000. So per month, how much can you calculate and tell me in the chat box? If it is 35,000 per year, then per month, how much you are spending? Per month, how much you are spending? Per month on our average, can you guess and tell me? Very good. Almost 3,000 rupees approximately. 3,000 rupees you are spending per month, guys. So per month, if you are spending 3,000 rupees, are you getting an good knowledge out of this? Are you gaining that much of worth? Do you feel? So guys, I respect your time. I respect your time. Those who have attended this webinar, for them, I want to give a special discount because you have invested your time. I know your commitment. You are here. So those who are in this webinar can just pay 24,000 rupees. Is it a good deal or not, guys? Is it a good deal? Is it a good deal? Like Shanmukh is asking about discounts. I said you just pay only 24,000 rupees. Is it a good deal or not, guys? So per month, how much you are spending? Per month, how much you are spending? Tell me, guys, per month, how much you are spending? Just type in the chat box. You are just spending 2,000 rupees per month, guys. You are spending just 2,000 rupees per month. Guys, I'll give one link. Just you fill this form. You just fill this form. I have just shared a link to you guys. Very good, Prashant. Thank you so much. atish.co/cj demo. I've just shared one form. If you have that form, you can fill that form. If you have already filled, then don't fill it, because I want to maintain a record that how many students have attended and from which city you are attending. That's it, guys. Nothing is there. So if you have not filled, then please fill it. If you have not filled, then you can fill it. So guys, those who is taking the decision today, those who are taking the decision today, do you want any extra discount? Those who want to join today, then do you want any extra discount? Tell me. atish.co/cj demo. This is the link, guys. This is the link. Guys, who wants to join today itself? Tell me just in the chat box. Whoever wants to join today itself, just tell me. Guys, those who wants to take decision today by night, I have a special offer for you guys. atish.co/cjpay. Guys, save this link. I'm sharing one link to you. No, you just save this link. You talk to your parents. And you'll find the prices 35,000 rupees. I'm sharing one special discount coupon code with you. Okay. Code JR. This is the special discount code, and it will work for 6 members only. It will work for 6 members only. Understood, everyone? You copy this payment link. The first one is the payment link. Second one is the discount code. Whoever is taking decision right now today, this coupon code will work for only 6 members maximum. Okay, so you can talk to your parents and you can take a decision. And those who are attending from out of India, then for them it is for those who are paying in dollars. Then for them I'm sharing separate link, atish.co/cjusd. So those who are attending this session from out of India, then they can take the second link, which is an international payment link, and the first link is for India. So guys, now tell me if you have any doubts. If you have any doubts, please come up with your doubts. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll be really happy to answer all your doubts. What are the doubts you have? You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. If you have any doubts, I'll really help you.
Can you bring MP?
It's okay, Naidu, no problem. If you are interested, you can take this offer and you can join. Naidu, if you are interested, you can join this program. or if you want to know more about this, then you can attend in my upcoming session.
Sir, that discount one.
Yeah. Tell me, is it Preet Jain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from which city you are, Preet?
Sir, Surat, Gujarat.
Surat, Gujarat. Very good. And what's your qualification, Preet?
Sir, I am in class 10th.
Class 10. Very good. Yeah, Preet, tell me what's your doubt?
सर आई एम हाँ सर, मैंने भी लिंक पे क्लिक किया तो उधर सर अमाउंट 35,000 आ रहा
हाँ,
सर.
तो आप एक काम करना प्रीत जैन, वहाँ पे एक
हाँ सर.
आई हैव ए डिस्काउंट कोड करके नीचे छोटा दिखाई देगा वहाँ पे. आई हैव
हाँ
ए
सर.
डिस्काउंट कोड करके उसके ऊपर आप एक बार क्लिक करना.
सर कहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सर? इधर नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं, आपने जो क्लिक किया है ना वो लिंक, उस
हाँ.
लिंक पे नाउ करके एक बार क्लिक करो. मैं बोलता हूँ आपको, आई विल हेल्प यू.
हाँ सर, आ गया. आई हैव ए डिस्काउंट कोड सर.
हाँ,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे सी कोड GR करके एंटर करो, देन इट विल
हाँ.
वर्क फॉर यू. इट विल वर्क फॉर ओनली फर्स्ट 6 members, दैट्स इट.
ओके सर.
Okay. And see, Preet, after this, it will redirect you to a WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you just join in that group. Next Friday, there will be a first session for us, actually, those who are joining.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Next Friday, I'll give the login details and everything. You have to wait till your Friday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Guys, any other student, if you have any doubts, please let me know.
Good evening, sir. My name is Rohit.
Yeah. Tell me, Violet. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Tell me which city you are attending.
Sir, I'm in Banda, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Great. Tell me.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt that I have heard that you're having a basic, coding basic plan of, I think, approx 10,001.
Okay.
I actually wanted to know about that.
Okay. Who said about this to you?
Sir, Sai Nihal's mother.
Okay, Sai Nihal's mother. Okay. So, in which class you are, Viloit?
Actually, I'm in 9th now. I'm having exams next month.
Okay.
Final
See,
exam.
Sai Nihal actually has attended C programming first, actually. Sai Nihal
Okay.
has attended C programming. At that time, we don't have this program, actually. This Code Junior program, at the time, we don't have. So,
Okay.
now we enrolled for this program also, like this one,
Okay.
Code Junior.
Okay.
So I recommend you to attend this program, and after completion of 1-2 months, like after 3-4 months, if you still feel that like you are comfortable with programming and you want to do C programming, then you can
Yeah.
enroll for C programming.
Okay.
That is 5,000 rupees cost only, not even 10,000. C programming is for 5,000 only.
Okay. Sir, what's the duration of that?
C programming will be for 2.5 months. 2.5 months.
2.5 months. So,
Yeah.
so enrolling for that, what should I do now?
C programming is right now, batches are not there. For C programming, you have to wait actually till
Okay.
I announce my next batch.
Sir, any idea about like on which date you're going to do that?
It will take nearly 2 months of time, because already few batches are there. So once I
Okay.
complete those batches, then only I'll be announcing the new batch regarding C programming. So if you
Okay,
want to
okay,
do
sir.
only C programming, then you can just share your details on my WhatsApp number, so that I'll
Yeah.
add you in a group, and there when I start a batch, I'll share all your details there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Viloit Naidu. Guys,
Thank you, sir.
anyone is having any doubts, you can just let me know. I'll clarify your doubts. Is there anyone, guys? Shiny Jain. Shiny Jain, do you want to speak anything? Prisha Jain, can you introduce yourself, like all out of India students, like how you feel regarding this session? Let's say a few words, if you can hear me.
Sir, Prisha is my sister.
Is your sister only? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are from which city? You are Surat, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prisha is your sister only. Okay.
हाँ सर, मेरी सग्गी मासी की बेटी है.
Saggi Masi ki beti hai. Okay.
हाँ सर.
She is staying there in UK.
हाँ, yes sir, London.
Okay. Right. Got to know. Aradhya, Nagendra, Harini, like Shiny. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can please ask me. I'm here to clarify. Or if you don't have any doubts, then just type in the chat box super clear. And guys, I thank for your valuable time. And I don't know whether you have utilized this 1.5 hour of time or not. If you have really utilized, and if you feel that you have gained some knowledge, then just type in the chat box that super awesome.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Harini.
Yeah,
I
Harini,
want-
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I want to talk to you tomorrow.
Fine, no
How come?
problem.
How won't you? How shall I contact you?
You have that mobile number. You have joined in one group. Do you remember that Code Junior group? Like, say how you got this link, Harini? How you got this link?
In WhatsApp group, sir.
In WhatsApp group now. So on that WhatsApp number, you can just put me a chat message. Like you just message me, then I'll call you at the time. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So guys, is it fine? Shall we wind up the session? So guys, thank you so much once again. Bye bye. Take care, and see you soon in the regular class. If you have any doubts, anytime you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Bye bye. Take care. Great to see you guys.